Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Outline VPN, a secure, reliable, and user-friendly app designed to protect your online activity and enhance your digital privacy. We'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up a secure VPN connection using Outline VPN with a custom UDP server. This is a legal and educational method to improve your internet privacy and encrypt your connection on Android devices. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Outline VPN and install the app. Once installed, open the app to get started. Step 2. Launch the app and add a new connection. Tap the plus icon inside the app to begin setting up a new VPN connection. Step 3. For this educational setup, we'll use a trusted provider to get a temporary Outline VPN access key. Open your web browser like Chrome. Search for UDP Custom Outline VPN Server. Click on a reputable website that provides access keys. Make sure the site is trusted and doesn't ask for unnecessary personal data. Step 4. On the UDP Custom website, tap the menu icon, often shown as 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select SSH servers and then choose Outline VPN servers. Find an active server and copy the access key provided. Step 5. Return to the Outline VPN app. Tap the plus icon again. Paste the access key you copied into the field. Tap Add Server, then tap Save. Step 6. After adding the access key, tap the Connect button. Within a few seconds, your internet traffic will be securely routed through the Outline VPN server. You are now safely connected. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching, stay secure and happy browsing.